Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Pulse, where we dive into the latest in electric vehicles and tech innovations. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting electric SUVs on the market, the 2025 BYD Atto 3. BYD has been making waves in the EV industry, and this latest version of their popular Atto 3 is packed with upgrades. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 has a sleek, modern look with sharp lines and an aerodynamic silhouette. The redesigned front grille and slimmer LED headlights give it a futuristic appearance while still maintaining its bold, sporty vibe. From the 19-inch alloy wheels to the panoramic sunroof, every detail has been carefully crafted to make the Atto 3 stand out on the road. And let's not forget, BYD's famous dragon face design language makes this SUV look both powerful and stylish. Stepping inside, the Atto 3 is all about comfort and cutting-edge technology. You're greeted with a spacious cabin that comfortably seats 5, with premium materials used throughout. The centerpiece is the 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen display, which allows for both portrait and landscape orientations. The infotainment system is powered by BYD's latest software, featuring voice recognition, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and seamless navigation. There's also a digital driver display that gives you all the important info right at your fingertips. Other notable features include customizable ambient lighting, a wireless charging pad, and a 360-degree camera system for easy parking and enhanced safety. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is powered by a 60.5 watt blade battery, providing an impressive range of up to 420 kilometers on a single charge. It's equipped with a 150 kW electric motor, delivering 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque. That means the Atto 3 accelerates from 0 to 100 km in just 7.3 seconds, giving you that exhilarating electric vehicle power. Plus, with regenerative braking and eco-friendly driving modes, you can maximize efficiency without sacrificing performance. Charging the BYD Atto 3 is easy and convenient. You can charge from 10% to 80% in just 45 minutes with a fast charger, making it perfect for long road trips or daily commutes. And when it comes to safety, the 2025 Atto 3 has you covered with advanced driver assistance features like autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. It's designed to keep you and your passengers safe at all times. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 starts at around insert local pricing, which is an incredible value considering all the features, range, and performance you're getting. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or someone looking to make the switch to electric, the Atto 3 is definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 BYD Atto 3.